I now call upon the returning officer to give me the results. The results read as follows. Total number of ballot papers issued, 341. Total number of ballot papers counted, 341. Total number of spoiled and invalid ballot papers, 9. And of those 9, 8 are spoiled and 1 is invalid. And the one that is invalid refers to a case where a member asked for another paper after realizing that he or she had made a mistake and was then issued with a new ballot paper. Then the candidates, Honorable Didiza, 284. Honorable, silent, 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 silent. Let me finish the results, please. Honorable Mentenkuna, 49. In terms of item 6, of Part A of Schedule 3 of the Constitution, I accordingly declare Honorable Didiza duly elected Speaker of the National Assembly. On behalf of all present here, I have the honor of congratulating you on your election as Speaker. I now call upon the Acting Sergeant at Arms to conduct the Honorable Speaker to the chair.
I think the DA will enter the song.
Will all members rise, please?
Thank you very much. You may be seated. Order, honorable members. Chief Justice, Your Excellency the President, Deputy President, honorable members of Parliament, the leaders of the various parties present here, the people of South Africa. I'd like to thank all of you as members who have participated in this democratic process of electing the Speaker of the National Assembly in the 7th Parliament of the Republic of South Africa. I'd like to thank my organization, the African National Congress, for having nominated me to represent them as the movement, but also the people of South Africa, supported by the parties that have voted me. But I also know that the other party that might have nominated a candidate duly supports this nomination. But as a country and as a democratic state, we have an opportunity to express our views, representing our constituency, and that's why we have to elect and participate in such a process, where then the one who is elected take the responsibility, but it does not mean that those who might have voted differently are not supportive of the work of the institution. This indeed is an important institution of our country, where we have to pass laws and represent our people and ensure that the work that we do as legislators in passing those laws and also ensuring that we play an oversight role on the executive, we do so in the interest of our people. The role of the Speaker is that of ensuring that we conduct the debates in this Parliament within the rules in a manner that is fair. And I commit that I will, working with the team in the Speaker's office, together with the House Chairperson that will be duly elected, do exactly that. I also commit that I would work with all the parties, led by their whips and their representatives, to make sure that we conduct the business of this Parliament in a manner that indeed reflects the will of the people of South Africa. Thank you very much for this honor. We now continue with the business of the day. Order, honorable members. The House will proceed with the election of a Deputy Speaker in terms of the procedure set out in Part A of Schedule 3 of the Constitution and in accordance with rules of Chief Justice of the Republic of South Africa. Members are reminded that there will be no debate and that each nomination must be submitted on the prescribed form and duly seconded. There will now be an opportunity for nomination of candidates for the election as Deputy Speaker of the National Assembly.
Speaker.
Honorable Member Shibambo.
No, thank you very much, Speaker, and best wishes on your election as the Speaker of the National Assembly. So, I stand myself as Nico Floyd Shibambo to nominate Honorable Vuyeletu Zungula as the Deputy Speaker of the National Assembly.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for that nomination. Is there a seconder to the nomination? I see an honorable member at the back.
Thoko Didiza usekhethwe njengosomlomo wePhalamende. Uthole amavoti angu 284.